So before we talk about today's topic, I'm going to show you a video clip.
Penny. Penny.
What?
Penny.
So what Sheldon does, do you think he's normal or just he's a nerd and he does weird things? But actually, some kind of behavior is associated with mental disorder. And in this particular case, it's called obsessive compulsive disorder. And the woman stand next to him, act as his girlfriend in the show, but in reality, she's actually a neuroscientist and also diagnosed Sheldon has OCD. And so it really makes people want to know what is OCD. And as far as the National Commodity Survey in 2005, there are many people who have OCD, which is 1 in 100 American deaths suffer from this kind of mental disorder. So it really can want people know what is OCD really is and what are some symptoms, and also is there any treatment there that can help people. So OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder, and it basically is an anxiety disorder. Like you have certain obsession in your mind and you repeat over and over again, and it will performing certain behavior. So people are really get obsessed with something. Obsession is a thought, is a compulsion, and it's an image that people cannot get rid of their mind. It just resides in your mind, and even people know it's irrational. And compulsion is a behavior. Because people have some obsession, so they kind of repeat this kind of behavior. So if people have OCD, what some symptoms about OCD? Basically, there are 5 types of people. First is washer, means people afraid of contamination, germs, and they keep washing their hand or cleaning. The second type of people is checker. People check the oven is off, door is locked, and they are just associate their behavior with danger or harm. The third type of people is doubter and sinner. People are afraid of bad things will happen to them, and because things isn't perfect or done just right, they're going to be punished. And the fourth type of people is counter and arrangers. This kind of people have obsession with orders, arrangements. They may have some superstitions with certain numbers, color, and arrangements. And the last one is hoarders. People also, like the doubter and sinner, afraid of bad things will happen to them because they throw things away. So they just keep it, and even though they don't use it or don't need it. So if people suffer from this, and so we would like to know if there are some treatments for them. I only want to tell 2 of them. First is medicine. Like you get cold or fever, you always can take medicine to help you. And you have OCD, you can also have medicines which gonna help you brain chemical work properly and will help you obsession and compulsion less intense. Also gonna tone down your fear and anxious. The other is cognitive behavioral therapy. This includes 2 parts, which is virtual prevention and exposure therapy. The example of this is you are have compulsive hand washer. You may ask to touch the door handle in the public restroom and not allow you to wash your hands. As you sit there with anxious, and the urge you want to wash your hands will gradually go away. And in this way, you will learn you didn't need to do some virtual to get rid of this obsession. So as many people suffer from this, it really makes me wanna kind of discuss this topic. We're gonna today we have go through the concept of OCD and also the therapies and symptoms of OCD. So that's it. Thank you.